Boob cheese is the answer, but what's the question? Kamnik has it all. A rich history, 3 castles, lots of microbreweries, traditional food, spectacular mountains. But I feel like something's missing. We need something more substantial, more memorable to flash the tourists. I know just the thing! Okay, so how do we make Trnič? Obviously the internet knows all. Okay, let's see. How to make boobs, Trnič, okay? And here we go. Let's go milk a cow. Hang on. How to milk. Ooh. How to milk a cow. Aha, okay, now I got it. Let's give it a shot. You ready? I'm ready too. Aha, now we got it. Now we're cooking with gas. Okay, let's see what's next. I have to wait 14 days for it to dry. Who has time for that? Okay, let's do this. Here we go. Okay, cake bit frozen, no. Side dish, I guess. What kind of a stove is this? It doesn't have a Trnič mode. Well, it sort of looks like a potato. Let's try that. And here we go. Showtime. Well, close enough for government work. We'll try it again.
Bravo. Up, bravo.
That's good. Let's see how she's doing. This is the moment of truth. Oh, it looks great. Okay. Now I just need 2,000 cows. Everybody loves boobs and everybody loves cheese, so Trnič is the perfect combination. And if you want to be as cheesy as this commercial, come to Velikoplaninski in Slovenia. It's magically boobtastic.